In the Indian Ocean, there lies an island called Sri Lanka with a stunning environment. The island is made up of hills, plains, rivers, waterfalls, beaches, and other natural features. Various plant life forms coexist with man-made structures including roadways, tanks, factories, and croplands. For those who enjoy the outdoors and the beauty of the natural world, Sri Lanka offers tremendous possibilities for nature vacations. Sri Lanka, a stunning island in the Indian Ocean, offers it everything, including beaches, seashores, acres of coconut trees, darting waterfalls, national parks, rice barges, rainforests, rivers, the sea, sandy beaches, and more. Sri Lanka has beautiful scenery and a diverse range of animals and plants. Sri Lanka serves as a reminder of the undiscovered inner beauty we all possess. Cool, happy surroundings soothe the spirit and give one a sense of nature and the delight of coexisting with it.